Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to combine two graphs in Excel. So first, to proceed with this one, I have here two particular product sales for branch 1 and 2. And so I'm going to go ahead and basically combine them. So to do that, I'm going to head over to branch 1 here first, and then I'm going to click Chart Design, click Select Data, and here we're going to go ahead and click Add. And in the series name, I'm going to go ahead and call this one branch 2. And then for the series value, I'm going to delete that, click this, and then we're going to go ahead and select here. So this is the value that we're adding. You have to ensure that what you're adding is the same as the branch 1. So click this, click OK, and then hit OK. Now it's going to be like this, but you just have to make some adjustment. There you go. And I'm going to go ahead and make some edits. So I'm going to go ahead and click this one, and I'm going to add a chart title. And the chart title is going to be product sales. There you go. So now you have combined the data both for branch 1 and branch 2. That is how you're going to do it. I hope this video helps you out.